Assalamu alaikum students. Open your mathematics book. We will solve page 94. Before starting the page, we will revise the concept of tens. Let's start with me.
Today, let's learn how many tens with these green chilies. We know that 1 means 1 chili. Hence, 10 ones mean 10 chilies. So, when we group 10 chilies together, we get 110 chilies. Look, the farmer has made groups of 10 chilies. Let's count by tens and learn some numbers and number names with the help of these groups. 110 chilies means 10 chilies. Look, now there are 2 groups of tens. 2 tens chilies mean 20 chilies. 3 tens mean 30 chilies. 4 tens mean 40 chilies. 5 tens mean 50 chilies.
Okay, now we will start simple addition. Let's look at each number. If we look at the 32, 3 is in the tens place and 2 is in the ones place. Look at the number 27. 2 is in the tens place and 7 is in the ones place. And now we can use some blocks. So to get 32, we need 3 blocks of tens. Start 10, 20, 30. Now I have 3 blocks in the tens place, but I still need 2 blocks in the ones place. Now the turn of 27. We need to start in the tens place. 10, 20. We need 7 blocks more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We can now add the 2 groups together. But to do this, we need to be careful and we should not add the tens blocks with the ones blocks. So we are going to join our tens blocks together and ones blocks at ones place together. Let's count the ones first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we will count the tens together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now as we can see here, we have 9 ones and 5 tens. So the answer is 59. Okay students, let's start page number 94. According to this concept, we will solve the page number 94. On this page, we are going to do simple addition according to tens and units. In the first problem, we will add 34 and 12 together according to tens and units. For your help, you can draw lines or dots. As you know, you will add units first. There are 4 and 2 and the answer is 6. Now we will count the tens. 3 and 1, the answer is 4. Now we will solve the next question. Number 64 and 31. First we will add units. 4 and 1, the answer is 5. Now the turn of tens. There are 6 tens and we will add 3 more in it. Now 6 and 3, the answer is 9. Now the next one, we will add units first. 2 and 2, answer 4. Now we will count tens. 5 and 4 tens, answer is 9. Now the next one, 3 and 6 units, the answer is 9. Now the tens, 6 tens and 3 tens. 6 and 3, the answer is 9. Now the next question, number is 82 and 14 and we will add units first. 2 and 4, answer 6 and tens. 8 and 1. 8 and 1, the answer is 9. Now the next question. 3 and 3. The answer is 6. Now we will add the tens. We are doing simple addition. 7 and 1. The answer is 8. Now the next question. We will add units first. There is 5 and 0. The answer is 5. Now the tens. 2 and 1. The answer is 3. Now the next question. 6 and 3. 6 and 3, 9 units. Now the tens. 9 and 0. The answer is 9. Now 2 and 3. The answer is 5. 5 units are here. And 1, 2. The answer is 3. Okay students, now do this page at home. Allah Hafiz.